It was the highlight for EBM-PAPST at this year's Hannover Messe. German Chancellor Angela Merkel and Russian President Vladimir Putin paid a visit to the world market leader in fans and motors. The anticipation was great even before the visit.
Of course, it is a highlight for us. For a relatively small company like us to receive a visit from the Chancellor and President Putin is of course a very special event, and it is an honor for us as innovative entrepreneurs to get this kind of recognition.
The Hannover Messe trade fair is very important for EBM-PAPST. Over the years, the event has developed into a shop window for technology. It is not about concluding contracts, but above all about exchanging specialist knowledge.
We talk about innovations. We take a look at what others are doing, and I believe this is what makes the Hannover Messe so important. It is important for our future to be here, even for a company of our size.
This year, the partner country for the Hannover Messe was Russia. Russia is a country that is also becoming ever more important for EBM-PAPST.
Russia is an important market and is becoming ever more so. We have seen strong growth in recent years in Russia and want to quickly move forward with this business.
It was very convenient then that the Russian president, together with the Chancellor, came to take a look at EBM-PAPST stand. Rainer Hundsdorfer, chairman of the board of directors, presented the two prominent guests with the Axitop, which has been nominated for the Hermes Award.
I would like to present you our award-nominated product, which impressively demonstrates how being environmentally friendly and business-friendly are not contradictory, but in fact can go together. With this product we can save 30% of power input, and so we save energy.
The revolutionary diffuser Axitop, made from the organic material epilin, was at the center of affairs in Hanover. With this global innovation, the technology pioneers have achieved the perfect marriage of aerodynamic expertise and sustainable handling of material resources. And for this reason, the product was nominated for the renowned Hermes Award 2013. This appeared to impress the Chancellor, as she was very interested in the Axitop.
Where are these fans used?
Wherever there is a need for cooling or ventilation, for example at Gazprom.
It was certainly interesting for Vladimir Putin to see EBM-PAPST present a range of industrial applications from Russia. This included use in gas pipelines for Gazprom. Here, the technology specialists helped to secure gas transport from Russia with the energy-efficient EC fans. For chairman of the board Rainer Hundsdorfer, the visit of Chancellor Merkel was a very special honor that will stay with him.
It's a terrific signal for our company, for our staff and for what we do. Even though we are a relatively small business, to be considered an important company. It's a little bit of appreciation. That's how I and all my colleagues see it.
There were also gifts exchanged at the end. Mr. Belousov, managing director of EBM-PAPST customer Gazkolodtechnika, gave Chancellor Merkel a Matroska puppet, whilst Vladimir Putin received a very special cuckoo clock as a souvenir to mark this visit to EBM-PAPST. Perhaps it will soon be hanging in his office in Moscow.